Are you running or involved in manufacturing, trading, or service providing company? Worried about manual VAT management? Looking for a trustworthy VAT management system? Here comes Automated VAT Management Solutions VATAX to remove all of your paperwork. Ultimate game changer for any kind of business. The benefits are enormous, including security, web-based, platform independent, real-time, and most importantly NBR compliant. Helping you in VAT returns. Helping you in VAT planning. Sales Modules comprises of export local sales, typical VDS receive and credit note. Purchase is another module which keeps import, purchases data, VDS issues, and debit note. Most important segment of a business is inventory. So you can keep track of raw materials, product or service, production, surcharge, transfer raw materials, and transfer products. Real-time reports is your key advantage that VATAX provides to gain actual scenario of business like MSHAX 4.3 to 9.1, first, second, third schedules, products on 15% VAT, tariff schedules, backup list, and stock report. Let's have a quick overview. How does it works? VAT management software VATAX. Another glimpse of VAT management software VATAX. And lot more. The most amazing and thrilling factor is an attractive dashboard of VAT management data in one place. For financial proposal or any query to know more details, just call now 01848346301. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for latest update how you can make VAT digital.